Welcome to Kids Prapancha. Let's learn and play together. Let's count from 1 to 10 with help from nature and some fun rhymes at the end. Let's go. 1. O-N-E, one sun in the sky. 2. T-W-O, two butterflies flying. 3. T-H-R-E-E, three flowers blooming. 4. F-O-U-R, four green leaves. 5. F-I-V-E, five smooth stones. 6. S-I-X, six buzzing bees. 7. S-E-V-E-N, seven cells on the beach. 8. E-I-G-H-T, eight green worms. 9. N-I-N-E, nine birds on a tree. 10. T-E-N, 10 raindrops falling. Now let's say a rhyme for each number. One big sun shining bright, giving us warm and golden light. 2 butterflies flap and fly, floating gently in the sky. 3 pretty flowers in a row, waving petals as they grow. 4 green leaves on a tree, dancing softly in the breeze. 5 round pebbles on the ground, some are smooth and some are round. 6 bees buzzing all round, zooming past with a humming sound. 7 cells by the shore, each one different, let's find more. Each little worms wiggle slow, across the leaf they go, go, go. 9 birds creep in the tree, singing song so carefully. 10 raindrops from the sky, pitter patter as clouds float by. Let's remember with a fun title rhyme. 1 and 2 sun and wings, 1 sunshine, 2 butterflies sing. 3 and 4 petals and leaves, 4 bloom and the wind waves. 5 and 6 stones and bees, rolling rocks and buzzing trees. 7 and 8 cells and worms, nature has so many forms. 9 and 10 birds and rain, fitting loud and toss again. Quick recap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Kids Prapancha.